how to install Autodock Vina and MGL tools in 5 minutes and prevent fatal errors during docking. For downloading Autodock, go to this website autodock.scripps.edu. The link is provided in the description. On the left side, there will be home downloads resources like this. You can use downloads. You can click on downloads. In this page, you will have 3 applications: Autodock 4.2, Autodock Vina and Autodock Tools. We are going to download Autodock 4.2. Older version is also available, 4.0 and 3. We are not going to use them. When we proceed to the download page, here you will have Autodock 4.2.6 user guide and examples also. You can download both of these files for any reference. This user guide is applicable for Autodock 4, AutoGrid and Autodock Tools also. Now we are going to download the application itself. For this, we are going to download the Windows version. Do not click on any other version, download only Windows version. Alternatively, you can Google search for download Autodock and click on this link. You will get the download page directly. For MGL tools, go to this website mgltools.scripps.edu. This one has 3 packages: Autodock Tools, Python Molecular Viewer and Vision. In the left side, click on this download section and download the MGL Tools 1.5.6 for Windows. Don't download for Linux or Mac OS. You can also Google search for download MGL tools and click on this link. You will get the download page directly. Download Autodock Vina also. After downloading, you will have 2 files. First of all, the destination folder should not have any white spaces, so we are going to change the destination folder. You can change the destination folder as you like, but it should not have any white spaces in the name. After installation is completed, 2 files will be generated from the Autodock installer: Autodock 4 and AutoGrid 4. Now we are going to install MGL tools. Accept the license agreement. Before installation, we are going to change the destination folder. We are going to choose the same folder as that of the previous and next install. Next step is how to set up the environment variables. If you set up the environment variables correctly, there will be no errors during running Autodock. Setting up of environment variables is optional, but if you set up the environment variables, there will be no chance of any errors. After the installation is complete, we are not going to launch the software. We are going to set up the environment variables. Go to the start menu and type in environment variables. You will see edit the system environment variables option. Click on that and click on environment variables button. You will have two sections. One is for user variables, another one is for system variables. Here you will have many variables like path, temp, OneDrive. We are going to edit only path variable. Don't edit any other variables. Click on the path variable and edit this path variable. Add the new variable. Type in the destination folder that we have set up earlier. Repeat this process for the system variables also. And click on OK and OK. That's all. Go to your destination folder. This is the destination folder. We are going to search for AD4. Search for AD4 only. Don't search for any other files. Here you will get two files, AD 4.1 bound and AD4 parameters. These two files, we are going to copy these two files and paste in the main folder. These files are present in subfolders. That's why we are copying and pasting in the main folder. That's all. All the setup are completed. Now we can use the application. After that, the 3 shortcut will be present in the desktop. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe.